between you and grade A. Very many grades on the way. Some of them are much nearer. And you can land in any one of those grades. So it is until you tell God the grade that you want that will give you enormous powers to work tirelessly so that you bypass all the other grades and you land onto grade A. Isn't it?
Yes.
Are you thinking of good grades now? And I told the students in the school in Nairobi, I told them, think of grade A only. Think of grade A only. And when the results came, they got 19 A's. A minus 28, total 47 A's in a class of 82 candidates. And that was precious blood in the rota, and they got position 1 in the country in 1993 for the very first time. And from nowhere, it doesn't matter where you were yesterday. It does not matter where you are today. The most important thing for you is where you want to go. Is that right? Here is the method I gave precious blood to use. And I gave Alliance, and I gave Starray, and I gave Uganda Girls, and I gave Kausabet Boys, and I gave St. Mary's in my home. St. Mary's Yala, they had never appeared among the top 100. But when I gave them in 1993, number 7 in the country. Are you ready for the method? And you must start using your class next week on Monday without fail, isn't it? Then you use on Tuesday. Then you use on. And on Wednesday at 4 o'clock. If you have used and you have not improved, on Thursday, you write a letter to me. I'll come back here to assess, because this method I'm giving you, it is a success method that never fails. It is a success method that works for everybody who uses it. Are you ready for the success method that never fails? The one that works for everybody who uses it. Here it is. And you'll give me some 12 minutes to explain. 12 minutes. At the end of 12 minutes, each one of you seated here will be sure as to exactly what you did in your class Monday morning. So I want you to listen attentively.